So first of all, the user will be able to access our app from the browser. It is going to be a React frontend. It will have a landing page, upload, and the workbench where we can edit. They will upload the video or the PDF or text. It will be a Express backend, which will then connect to the Python's fast API worker. The Python's fast API worker will decide if it's a PDF or it's a video. If it's a PDF, then OCR will be done and we'll get the text, and then we will process it. Then it goes to the Python's worker processes where the agents lie. First of all, a line graph, directed acyclic graph orchestration happens. After that, we have the PDF or videos inputs. Then we are using Grok's AI API to get all the text for the scene and the summary and all the areas where we require generative AI. Then once that agent has done its work, it will go to the next agent, which is a script agent. It uses Grok again and OpenRouter to generate the script for the scenes. Then we go next to the fact check agent, which ensures that our Grok agent has not hallucinated but is correct, and then it does its work, and then it goes ahead to the storyboard agent, which then displays the scene, creates the actual scenes which are going to be displayed.
Good morning, guys. This is Team Smooth Operator, and I'm going to show you the demo, right? So this is our project Papercast, where we accept any kind of paper, research paper, study material, audio, video. We analyze it, we then scrutinize it, we divide it into different scenes, and from those scenes, we can generate a video. So what's special that we are doing here is you stay in control. At each and every step, we provide you with an option of human in loop. So at each and every step, you can edit, you can supervise things. And by human in the loop, I don't just mean only you can edit. Any LLM on your behalf also can edit, and you can supervise, and then you can confirm and move along. Right? So let's start with the demo. So let's upload a file. This is a research paper, which is a forensic triad system research paper. We can select the tone, which is formal, conversational, technical. We can select video duration. We can select primary audience like expert or general. So if it would be expert, then the text or the video would be more verbal. Yeah. So we are on the summary page, right? So you can see that the document overview. It gives a general summary, right? It gives key finding, it gives methodology, and all the different kind of general information about the things, right? So now what we are concerned is, what Gemini has done here is basically it has divided the larger summary into chunks of our scene. So it has also decided optimally that we should be having around 6 scenes, right? So it has divided information coverage into these 6 scenes. Right? And according to these 6 scenes, it has divided the summary into different parts, right? So let's say we are talking about the cyber threat landscape, then it has given a dedicated summary of that coverage there. So what we can do is we can see the things scene by scene. Somewhere we find that something is wrong, right? Threat analysis and protection. So this is human in loop, right? We can change it here and we can save it. So that is saved, threat analysis and human intervention, right? So also what we can do is we can edit each individual chunk, or we can edit each individual chunk with AI, right? So let's say explain like you explain to an toddler in simple language, right? So you can give this prompt. Our LLM would be working, right? And it would come with a response to this prompt, right? Apart from that, so this is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. So what we did basically here is that we removed a high verbose line and we replaced it with easy line. So we can do any of such things with this edit with AI, accept and approve. Also edit with AI has different options like simplify for general audience, make image prompt more specific and all. Also we are providing an image prompt here, right? So to generate base image or a base video for this scene, we can use this dedicated image prompt, which is more specific rather than being general, right? And now our or generating agent or script generating agent would be using this summary as an input, and it would generate a particular script for this scene, right? So let's move and let's approve all of them, right? So this is editing dashboard, right? We can start editing here, but we can see it's being loaded, right? Each and everything, the scripts are being generated, the images are being generated, the base image and all. So yeah, so now it has been generated, right? So this is the first part, this is the second, third, fourth part. So the important feature that I would like to draw your attention is figures, right? So we have made an archive of each and every figure, each and every flowchart, each and every diagram, each and every different image metric that are being used in research paper. So research paper में जो भी हमारा original source है in images का, in flow या in flowchart का, that we extract and we label each and every one of them, right? And what our agent with LLM do is this is triad system architecture. It has given the image of system architecture here, and how it gives this is that are generated from internet. We can also edit image here. We can say generate a man on computer disguised as hacker, and we can generate it. Yeah. Also change it from here, right? So this is Windows system, right? This paper introduces an intelligent. We can also edit that this is very robust, right? We can edit that yeah, this is now this script is edited, and what now when we approve it, right, an audio would be generating, right? So we can see that audios are being generated. We can see each and every different aspects. Okay, we can change the script, तो audio भी उसी हिसाब से change हो जाएगा, right? So let's say we can play a little audio here or somewhere, finalize and generate audio. Right, audio will be generated after approval, and it would take a little time, but yeah, it's been generated. Yeah.
Triage XS architecture is modular
So it's
in
explaining
layer,
the
enabling
architecture.
maintainability, scalability, and evidence integrity.
Yeah. So what if you also feel कि यार इसकी जगह दूसरा डायग्राम डालना है, then we can also do that. अपनी आर्काइव में से कोई सा भी अवेलेबल डायग्राम है that it says कि diagram 4 is assigned to scene 4. तो do you want to change it? You can say yeah, please reassign for me. No? So let's reassign this image here. Right. So we use this scene, right, and then we can update it, right. So this is all the flow, and then we can, after once we are done with each and every one.
Mainly three dashboard types here. First part is the scenes. It is divided into scenes. On the middle part, you can see the video playing, and for the video, these are the details, the title, the narration, and the description of the video. The narration is exactly the text that will be shown in the video. There is also an option to add your own image and change the duration. And there is also this thing. Every scene of the video is cross-checked with the actual source, and here you can see from where of the original source this video scene is being generated. So here you can see the video being played. Now we have added the live editing feature. Here you can see this is the thing, and if I remove the rest of the line from here, you can see that the video gets edited in live. You can also change the title and all. There is also option to add your own image. For example, if you want to go ahead and add your own image, you can see the image also gets added to the video. There is an avatar on the right side. On the video, you can also see that there is a source citation being mentioned on the left side. In addition to that, we have added manual changing editing features also. Here you can change the background color. You can select any background color. Okay, then you can change the text color from here also. You can select the actual orientation of the text. You can edit the text font size. Everything here is being edited into the video in real time. You can change the font size also. You can also change the avatar gender. In addition to that, here I have integrated an AI model. You can literally ask them to do anything. If I just say change background to green, it will take its time and it will show. Now you can see the background is changed. You can also ask it to make duration like 60 seconds. So you can see in real time that the one side here, you can also see the change in the duration. Yeah, the duration is updated. You can also generate an image from here. You can click generate image, and it will generate image according to the actual narration and the visual description provided here and the title. The image will be generated and will be added here. Here you can see the image is added. There is also an option for audio. You can see that after each scene is approved, if I approve this scene, then I can lock and ask it to generate the audio. So based on the narration, it will generate the audio. And after the audio is generated, you can also select the voice gender from here. You can change the language from here. For example, if I go to any other scene, you can see each scene has its different editing. You can edit everything agentically and manually for separately for each scene. After the all the scenes have been approved and logged, the videos and audios are generated. You can hear the audio.
In conclusion, Triage X is a powerful tool for incident responding.
Yeah, you can change the language and everything here. After everything is approved, you can proceed to generate the video. Here you can see all the scenes compiled in a one singular video with the audio.
In today's cyber
Everything is compiled, and editing is also included in the final render. And after doing that, you can click the render. Combine. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes depending upon the size, and it will render it. Let's try.
So made a generator which converts .mp4 video files into TypeScript project, which can then be edited using the tools that were shown earlier. So basically, let's select a video. So we have selected this video, which is over here. So I will upload the video. Okay, so video has been uploaded. As we can see that there are some text boxes over here. So you can see this is the frame. It says natural language processing NLP. So we can see there is the same frame over here in a different kind of format, and you can use the same narration tools and all the tools that were in the previous application. This is just a version behind that, so you don't have the AI tools. So this way you can convert any video into a component and then edit it and then again render it into a video.